Curcumin is the golden troublemaker your cells didn't know they needed. Found in turmeric, that sunny spice that makes curry beautiful and countertops permanently yellow, curcumin is a molecular overachiever with a surprising resume, inflammation whisperer, DNA bodyguard, and professional age delayer. It doesn't just spice up your food, it spices up your cellular signaling with the kind of charisma that makes immune cells sit up straight and take notes. What's wild about curcumin is its flair for biohacking long before that became a Silicon Valley buzzword. It slips into the heart of your cell's decision-making centers and tweaks the knobs on some of the most powerful molecular switches in the body. Two of the biggest names it plays with? NF-B and NRF2. Don't let the cryptic names fool you. These guys are basically the cellular equivalents of panic mode and resilience boost, respectively. NF-B, nuclear factor kappa light chain enhancer of activated B cells. Yes, it's a mouthful, is your body's go-to inflammation response team. It activates when there's stress, injury, or that one slice of deep-fried regret you ate last night. But the problem is, in chronic conditions like metabolic syndrome, aging, or just modern life in general, NF-B doesn't know when to quit. It turns into the coworker who stays late every night but only creates chaos. That's where curcumin steps in like a kindly but firm manager. It downregulates NF-B, telling it to cool it with the inflammatory tantrums. This means fewer inflammatory cytokines roaming the bloodstream, less oxidative chaos, and ultimately more peace in the tissue neighborhood. On the flip side, curcumin also has a secret handshake with NRF2, the master regulator of antioxidant defenses. NRF2 is the gene expression guru that controls your body's detox and repair pathways. When activated, it tells cells to upregulate antioxidant enzymes like glutathione peroxidase and superoxide dismutase, giving your body the tools it needs to mop up free radicals and keep DNA damage to a minimum. Curcumin doesn't just poke NRF2 awake, it serenades it into action. This creates an environment where your DNA doesn't live in constant fear of oxidative assault, and your cells don't age like avocados on a windowsill. And yes, about aging, curcumin also seems to slow down the inevitable march towards senescence. Cellular senescence is basically when a cell gives up, retires, and starts gossiping with its neighbors by releasing inflammatory signals. Not helpful. Curcumin has shown promise in preventing cells from reaching this grumpy retirement phase too early, especially in the context of oxidative stress and chronic low-grade inflammation. It's like curcumin offers a second wind, encouraging cells to stay productive and less toxic for just a little longer. It won't make you immortal, but it might help you avoid feeling like a fossil before your time. The best part? It does all of this while being totally edible, deliciously earthy, and already a part of many global diets. Of course, there's always the bioavailability issue. Curcumin is a little shy when it comes to absorption, which is why it pairs so well with black pepper, thanks to piperine, the molecular hype man that boosts its bioavailability by up to 2,000%. But even with its diva-like absorption challenges, curcumin still manages to make an impression at the cellular level where it matters most. So the next time you stir turmeric into your soup or take a curcumin supplement, know this: you're not just adding color to your plate, you're nudging your cells toward resilience, dialing down chronic inflammation, and keeping the forces of aging just a little more polite. It's not just nutrition, it's molecular diplomacy, and curcumin is negotiating on your behalf with every golden gram.